Former Orlando Pirates star Thembinkosi Lorch continued his impressive run of form on Sunday, inspiring Wydad Athletic Club to a crucial 1-0 victory over Asante Kotoko in the CAF Confederation Cup second preliminary round first leg encounter in Accra. Nyoso was at the heart of Wydad's attacking play throughout the clash at the Accra Sports Stadium, tormenting the Porcupine Warriors' defense with his trademark flair and vision. The decisive moment arrived just 2 minutes into the second half when Lorch delivered a pinpoint corner kick, expertly met by Joseph Bakasu, who slotted home to hand the Moroccan Giants a valuable away win. Lorch's performance underlined his growing influence at the Red Castle, where he has now registered 4 goals contribution in his last 4 matches across all competitions. Since joining Wydad, the 32-year-old has cemented his place in coach Mohamed Amin's starting lineup, becoming a key figure in the team's creative setup. His recent exploits include scoring against Yaqub El Mansour on September 19 and producing a goal and assist displaying the 3-1 win over Cod Magnus on October 3rd, form that has made him one of Wydad's most consistent performers. With Africa Cup of Nations set to kick off in December in Morocco, Lorch's resurgence could not be better timed. Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos recently addressed the player's absence from the national setup but hinted that the door remains open for a recall, provided Lorch maintains his current level. For now, the Bloemfontein-born attacker and his teammates will focus on the second leg against Asante Kotoko, scheduled for October 24 in Morocco, where Wydad will look to seal their progression to the group stages of Africa's secondary club competition. If Lorch continues in this vein, both Wydad and Bafana Bafana may yet reap the rewards of his rediscovered brilliance. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.